Here we go. It's 12:58. 2 minutes to the closing bell. 4/16/2014. Class A of Google right now is up $14.50. The Class C shares, GOOG, is up $19. Behind me is a 3-minute chart. Google's going to release their quarterly report along with IBM today, and once again, Google had split their stock and did different things. So Class A and Class C, there is a difference between the two, dollar-wise, as you can see here now before us. Okay, the bell is just now closed, 1 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 4/16/2014. We are going to be watching how this Google and after hours, one way or the other, both ran in anticipation of a great report. But why is it that the majority of the crowd may be wrong? We're going to find out here in a moment now. One thing I will point out, there was a big buyer on the close, that money flow, and the stock ended up 20. So a big buy right here on the Class C Google shares. And there was also another huge buy on the shares that you see here, which are the Class A Google shares. And behind us is that 3-minute chart on Google right here. Now, it's very important to realize how this thing is going to trade and knowing when to buy and when not to buy. Uh-oh, looks like we just seen a big downtick here to 547. Look at that baby tank. Look at that baby tank. I said it. It's here. It's live. I said it, and I said it. Look at here. Look at that dang crank. That baby's at 536. This is live. Oh, yes, it is. You can see that 3-minute bar just hit 530. It's all over the map. It's all over the map, MMT. Here's that Class A tanking at 558. But look at the Google trade itself down here at 525. Along with that big red. I'm going to go over it. We're going to get ready. We're going to buy those dips. Going to buy them. Okay, I'm going to get more evidence. I'm just letting you know you're printing 540 back off of that 520 low, 525. He's printing it back. Look at that long 3-minute wick. Look at that drop. And look at those buyers. We're stepping right in there. Got 100 shares selling that down. We don't have the full report yet. But once again, in high frequency, those firms get the news before anyone else does, which you know should be a crime on them. But look at here. Here's that 3-minute bar. Here we are. We hit 525. And we bounced. Now, we're at 542. Down over $20 here. Whoa, look at that baby go. Now, you know what? Google has been very, very, very good. There isn't a better company out here right now, but what you got to learn, and what we're all going to learn about Google here in a few more minutes, is when those numbers are released, we're going to go over them. Right now, you're seeing here before you the prices right here. Yeah. You can see the Class C down here at 527. 527, yeah. You can see that 3-minute bar in the background. Yeah, you can see that. And we're going to get more into that. And we bought put options because we took the majority of the other side of the crowd. And then we're going to hear about what the numbers were, what they did, and how they see the future at Google Live after hours. 3-minute chart behind you. Look at that baby. Look at that drop. Holy goodness, it's going to pay a lot of money on that side of it. One of the things that we're finding out is that the paid clicks were probably not up to everyone's expectations. And the cost per click, average cost per click, which includes clicks related ads served on the Google sites and the sites of our network members, decreased approximately 9% over the first quarter of 2013. So, you know, it's not like the numbers are real bad in here, but what it is going to do is create a buying opportunity on Google. And it's going to do it here, and it's going to do it now. And here we go. We're still going down. I'm going to be getting the rest of this numbers right here. IBM is going to be the next one. I just want everybody to know that we hit 522 down here now, and that both asset values here are tanking in after hours, and this is live. And yes, at some point we're going to maybe take a position. We already short Google right now, and we shorted it because it was overbought and it had to come down. So I mean, there are other good stories out here in after hours. Okay. So here is what's happening. We will update you again, but right now this stock is taking a beating right here and right now. The time is 1:05 p.m. 1:05 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and this thing is just on a crank lower level. Both of them are just getting their head rocked right now, and it's 527.50, and it's going down hard, and the bulls are in trouble. And guess what? We as market makers, we get to buy the bottom end because we're already short with the put options on Google, and they're going to be paying monumentally big in the morning. So I'm going to come back to this, and I'm going to go to some of the other ones like SanDisk, American Express. We got other ones that are up on deck. Right now I'm going to leave this one here at 525. There it is. We'll do an update. There's Class A. There's Class C shares. Oh my goodness, they just can't stop that selling. 3 minute, 6 minute, 9 minutes, and they release those numbers right on time. We're going to hear more about what they got to say on that conference call, which could make it turn around. We don't know yet, but we'll keep you updated here and now.